Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
Now, if you remember, we had earlier filed a petition before the High Court stating that there was deliberate act on the part of the Chief Town Planner then, Mr. Rajesh Naik, who deliberately undervalued and underassessed transactions, thereby causing a loss to the public exchequer of over 60 crores plus. Now, after filing the aforesaid petition, the court had called for a report, and thereafter the Directorate of Vigilance had conducted an inquiry and found out that in fact a loss, substantial loss running into crores of rupees, around over 60 crores of rupees, was in fact caused to the public exchequer by the acts of this ex-Chief Town Planner Rajesh Naik. Now these amounts were recovered after we filed the said petition. Now that petition came to be disposed of, earlier petition saying that the government, the state would take proper action according to law. Now the Directorate of Vigilance has, it appears, on 5th of May 2026 has given a clean chit to the ex-Chief Town Planner Rajesh Naik by saying that the High Court has absolved him of any wrongdoing, which was a complete misinterpretation of the earlier High Court order, and also has in fact closed all inquiry proceedings by the Directorate of Vigilance. So we have challenged this order, firstly basically to say that there was no proper inquiry done by the Directorate of Vigilance, which in fact in its earlier inquiry report had in fact blamed the Mr. Rajesh Naik for having caused a loss to the public exchequer, and that there was complete misinterpretation of the High Court order made earlier in the earlier writ petition. So we've challenged that order, giving Mr. Rajesh Naik a clean chit on the ground that this is a person who is a public servant who has caused loss to the public exchequer running into crores of rupees, and that there has to be a disciplinary inquiry. He should be punished. Secondly, this order giving him a clean chit should be quashed and set aside.
Court has issued notices?
Court has issued notices even to Mr. Rajesh Naik, as well as notice to the Directorate of Vigilance. The other state authorities have been asked to file a reply.